Did you know the Amazons were real, and archaeologists found the proof buried in the ground? For centuries, the Greeks told stories of fierce female warriors from the eastern steppes. Scholars called it myth, pure invention, a fantasy men dreamed up. Then excavators started opening Scythian burial mounds across modern Russia and Ukraine. What they found changed everything. Women buried with swords, spears, and armor. Arrowheads still lodged inside their bones. Legs permanently bent from decades of riding horses. Battle wounds that had healed and wounds that had not. At some sites, nearly 1 in 3 warrior graves belonged to a woman. These were not priestesses, not symbols. They were fighters. The Greeks had not invented the Amazons. They had actually encountered Scythian women on the battlefield and carried that memory home. Over generations, the story grew into legend. But here is the part that sticks. The legend is famous. The real women are mostly forgotten. They bled for it. They earned it. And history buried them twice.